How to convert articles into Reels, TikToks, or Shorts in seconds. If you go to this website, an AI will make it happen. Just sign up for a free account and click on Create New Video, then select Article to Video. Let's pick this article for example. Paste your link here and click on Validate. Then select the template you want to use. I'll go for this one. Wait a few seconds and your reel is ready.
How to lose weight fast. 3 simple steps based on science. Combining cardio workouts with weight training is recommended for optimal health and weight loss. Increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods could promote weight loss and support overall health.
You can easily edit any text, video, or image if you want. Save this for later, follow for more, and visit smartincomebots.com to get best AI tools available on the market right now.